Hey guys, this is my unboxing video of the Leslie Vernon Behind the Mask mask. I'm a very huge fan of the movie, and it's a pretty very important movie to me, and so I'm very excited to show you the mask. It's not that easy to get stuff from the movie in Germany, so I'm very glad that I got the mask from Germany, from a production called Mask World. And yeah, I'm very excited because I really love the movie. Okay. Oh, nice. Wow. Damn. Fucking awesome. Nice. Holy shit. Damn. That's a pretty cool mask, man. The tag from Trick or Treat Studios. I like the mask of Trick or Treat Studios. I know some people have complaints, especially about the Maya's masks, but I love Trick or Treat Studios, so cheers to you. Fucking awesome, man. Damn, and it's pretty hard. It's not like that, like the Michael Myers masks. It's pretty solid. Fucking awesome, man. Damn. Damn, very cool, man. So, this was the unboxing. I hope you liked it. It was my first unboxing video. Yeah, so if you don't know the movie, check it out. It's pretty underrated. And yeah, thank you very much.